Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host on Intellect Digest, and this is the Sound Sport Free. This is the newer edition that has been launched at 18,999 or 19,000 rupees, and these are true wireless speakers, headphones from Bose. These are in the ear types, and they come with the proprietary silicon stay fit ear tips, and they fit really well. I just tried them on and I totally loved it. It gives you up to 5 hours of playback time. The sound quality is very good. There is no touch interface, so it is meant for workout. Very good water resistant design. It gives you up to 10 hours of charge from the pack, but the earphones themselves are good for 5 hours. It takes up to 2 hours to charge them fully, and if you charge them for just 15 minutes you get around 2 hours of playback time. This is a multi-function control button here, and you have the volume up down and another button on this side. The build quality is nice, the design is good, the sound quality is awesome, and they sound really well. They are very good for workout. Here is from where you charge it, from a micro USB standard, and they sound really nice. If you want to pick up one for yourself, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section below. Thanks for watching this quick hands-on video. If you enjoyed watching it, give us a thumbs up. Stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.